As you see, I have all the creamer here. This pre-filled with water. I have the sugar. Here I have Café Bustelo, as you can see. Now, remember to always put water in here. Now we are going to put this over here, and we are going to fill this with Café Bustelo. The good thing about this, Café Bustelo can last a long time. I don't think it is expired, but always check. Don't take my word for it. Make sure this all fit down. I'm trying not to make a mess. I think I'm going to do one more. This I think I'm going to do just a little more. Yeah. Now it's all ready. This. Throw this away. Let's put this in here. We are going to twist it. I'm just measuring it so you can see what's happening. What's happening here? Okay, that took a little more effort to start, but this is my first time doing this in a while. And now we are going to put it. And now we wait. I'm going to see because it's like small, so now we wait until it is all done. So I'm gonna do this video. That means it's ready. Are you ready to find out? Here. Oh yes. there's no better coffee than Cuban coffee. Do you agree? See you in the next video.